Today, I'm going to walk you through how to release your music on Yivera, step by step. First, head over to your dashboard and click on Create New Release. Next, select your release type. You can choose a single for $5, an EP with 2 to 6 tracks for $10, or an album with 6 or more tracks for $20. For this tutorial, we'll go with a single. Now, enter your release title and confirm the release type. Move on to selecting your genre. For this song, we are choosing primary genre as Afrobeats and secondary genre as pop. Then select the mood for your track. In this case, we're choosing confident. Next, input your C line and P line using the correct format. Select your record label, then enter the name of the main artist. If you don't have any featured or collaborating artists, you can skip that section. Now, upload your cover artwork. Make sure your artwork is 3000 by 3000 pixels, under 10 megabytes, and does not contain any logos, social media handles, or blurry elements. After uploading, select the AI disclosure for your artwork. Since this artwork is not AI generated, we'll choose No AI Used. If you already have a UPC code, you can enter it here. If not, one will be generated automatically for you. Now, choose your release date. Remember, you must upload your music at least 14 days before the release date to allow proper distribution to stores. If your song has been released before, select Yes. If not, leave it as No. You can also set a pre-order date so fans can access your release link before it officially drops. Next, upload your audio file. Your audio must be in WAV format. Once your upload is complete, click on Edit to add more details. Here, you can preview your track and select the part of the song you want to use for TikTok. Now, fill in your track information. Enter the track title and confirm the genre. Add the main artist name. If there are no featured artists, you can skip that section. If your song contains explicit lyrics, select Yes. If not, leave it as No. For vocals, select Yes, unless your track is purely instrumental. If your track includes instruments, also select Yes. Choose the language of the song. In this case, English. Now, enter the producer's name. Add the lyricist by entering your first and last name. Fill in the songwriter and composer details. For the mixer, you can use the producer's name. Then enter the publisher name as Yivera Publishing. Next, add your song lyrics. You can choose to monetize your lyrics or opt out. Also, confirm the AI disclosure for the audio, whether it is fully AI generated, partially AI generated, or not AI generated. Once everything is complete, click Submit. Then click Next. In the next step, select All Platforms to make your song available across Content ID stores and streaming platforms. Then click Next. Now, review all your information carefully. Double-check your artist name, release title, genre, release type, and release date to avoid any issues later. Confirm the pricing summary. Then click Finish and proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment method. You can pay with Stripe, Flutterwave, Yivera credits, or cryptocurrency. For this tutorial, we'll use Flutterwave. A secure payment page will open. Enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Confirm the transaction amount, which is 7,555.85 Naira. Enter your card PIN and the one-time password sent to your phone to complete the payment. Once payment is successful, you'll be redirected back to your dashboard, where you can view your release. And that's it. Your music is now successfully submitted for distribution on Yivera.